Here in front of me, we have the 2019 Audi e-tron, and today we're going to take a look at how the My Audi app on your phone interfaces with the vehicle itself and all the cool stuff that you can do with it. Scrolling through here, you can see that it's at 45% energy right now. It's plugged into our charging unit here. We have about 2 hours and 9 minutes left until it reaches that 100% charging target that I have in place here. Right now, you can see that there's 66 miles of electric range on the vehicle itself. You can also see other details about the vehicle, like how many miles are on it. If the doors are locked, if the windows are open or closed, doors open or closed, if the sunroof's open or closed, lights are on or off, if the hood happens to be open or the tailgate happens to be open. So no matter where you are in the world, you can see that right here from your phone. It also tells me things like when my next service is due, if there's any warnings. Moving on down here, you can see that there's a lock and unlock, stationary climate control, and geofencing, speed alert, valet alert. So let's go back to this stationary climate control. You can actually program and set times to turn your car on in the morning to precondition it for the day ahead. Or similarly, if you're leaving work, you can precondition your car. Geofencing alert's going to let you know if the vehicle's outside of a certain range that you've set. Speed alerts, similar. If you're going over a certain number of miles per hour that you have a set warning for, it'll let you know. And then stolen vehicle locator. Moving on down here to the driving data, you can see your last journey, your mileage tracker. You can create destination, new trips, push them from your phone to your car. So as you get in your car, it'll be preloaded for you. You can see statistics on your short-term and long-term memory. You can see over each day here how the kilowatt hours per 100 miles, how much energy I used there, and tracks all of your trips, your distance, your energy use, your time travel, your average speed. So there's a lot of points, a lot of data points that you can scroll back here and see all the times you've turned on the car, turned off the car, length of trip. You can program your charging times. So you can give your utility company a call and sign up for off-peak and on-peak energy usage. So to set the charging times in the app, you'd go in here, again on your main screen, you'd click on the little charging icon here, and then I'm gonna go over here to timer, and you can program here by toggling on and off these times, set the time at which the car starts to pull energy from whatever charger you're hooked up to. Thanks again for tuning in, and make sure you check out the rest of our content on the e-tron and our other videos here at Audi of Madison, and make sure you subscribe. Thanks so much.